So why I'm still using this 4K Panasonic HC-X2000 series this 2025, because I believe that these camcorders are the future, because they have no unlimited video recording, and one of the best feature is it has a very long lens zoom. Aside from equivalent of 24 to 600 mm, you can also record 4K videos and with unlimited. That's why if you're having a gadget, so I believe the camcorders are the future, because the videos right now is very important. Alright, so follow for more, and if you have any questions, you may comment down below.